the left front wheel bearing hub and speed sensor on a 99 Chevrolet Tahoe, four-wheel drive. And the first thing we do is we make sure we got the right part. This is a replacement part here from General Motors, Chevrolet. And then we have to take the wheel off, the rotor right here. We're going to need to use a T55 Torx. And that will go through this wheel hub, lines up to the flange right here. This on your impact, and you'll remove the socket, the Torx socket, okay? So that's a through hole, and that lines up on that bearing. This vehicle's got about 240,000 miles on it. And so it's starting to make some noise, and we're going to change that wheel bearing. Then we take this nut and washer with an 1 3/8 socket off, and that's in here at this point right here, and that will hold that on, this hub assembly. Okay, then we'll take this off. We'll use a puller and pull that off because it's a little bit stuck, and then we'll replace this hub assembly by taking these Torx out, and then this will come off, and we'll put the new assembly on, and we'll be in good shape. And that is part one.